Hello friends, ciao ragazze, hola amigos. Easter will come soon, so I would like to suggest you to create a Easter decoration. We'll make a small bird of cotton like a symbol of spring. Okay, let's start. We will need a toilet paper or napkin. Let's make a ball and cover it in a foil. It's foil for cooking. We create a body and tail of bird. Let's form a head. Don't worry that it looks a bit strange. We will cover it with cotton and it will be okay. For covering our bird with cotton, we will need a glue. We will cook it by ourselves, as it's a part of old technology. Glue. I will use a starch. We use it for cooking. I suppose you also use it. If you don't have it, you can take a flour that you use for making cakes. For 1 glass of glue, I take 1 teaspoon of starch. If you want glue be more thick, use 2 teaspoons. Then add about 30 grams of cool water and then add boiling water till glass will be full. Mix it and wait while it cools down. If you don't want to create a glue by yourself, you can use PVA glue, but mix it 50-50 with water. Okay, let's take a cotton. You can buy it in pharmacy. Check please. It should be natural, 30% cotton. If you can't find it in your city, write me in comments. I will send it to you. Cover your bird with the cotton and use our glue. Use thin pieces of cotton. Let's cover the tail. Take much glue. We need cotton become impregnated with glue. It's unpleasant when you have glue on your fingers and cotton stick to your fingers. So I have a water to clear during the process. Our bird is almost ready. We should wait while it's drying. While our bird is drying, we will make a nest for it. I use branches of beech. You can use any others. Most important is that they should be flexible. Use fresh branches that you cut today or yesterday. It's more flexible. Twist it together and fix with string. You can use wire. It may be difficult at first, so ask somebody to help you to fix branches. cut the string and unpleasant parts of branches. For painting our bird, I use acrylic colors. I will make teeth. You can create any bird you want. Use any colors you like. If you will make another bird, Google how it looks like. Save some pictures of a bird in different angle so you can see it while you painting. As it's Easter decoration, I decided to use a ribbon also. Now correct the form, and now let's put our bird on nest. Move and check how it will look better. Then use a clay. I use silicone one. You can use also PVA or super clay. I recommend you to cover our composition with acrylic lacquer and dry it. Our decoration is ready. You can present it to your friends or somebody from your family or decorate your house. If you have any questions, write me in comments. Write me please how you celebrate Easter in your country. It's very interesting for me. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your likes. See you. Bye bye.